students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to find the sum of each of the following. Let's start with the part A. We are going to add the terms. This is 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.08. We are going to add all these values. So let's start with the value which is greater here. That is 30.08. Next is 8.5. So 8.5 from here can be written as 8.5. And the next is 0.007. So 0.007 can be written as 0.007. We are going to add all these values. So this from here, we can write this as this. Because 0 after decimals are not significant, so we can write whatever zeros we can. So 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7. Here is 8 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. And here is 5. This is 0 plus 8 plus 0 is 8. And this from here is 3. So from here we can say that the sum of the first part, sum of the part A is 38.587. So this is the answer to the part A of this question. Part B is 15 plus 0.632 plus 13.8. We are going to add these values. Keep one thing in mind. In order to simplify the calculation, we always start adding from the largest term. Whenever we have to add the terms which are in decimal, the one thing we must keep into mind is that the decimal will be always in the same position. What I am trying to convey is that, look, 15 is here, so 15 plus like 13.8. So decimal is here. So the next decimal must be exactly below this. That become equals to 0.632. And we know that the zeros after decimals are not significant. We can add whatever zeros, how many zeros which we can. So this is 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 8 is 8. And 8 plus 6 is 4. 4 is 14. 14 is 4 is here. And we are taking 1 as carry. So 1 plus 5 is 6. And 6 plus 1 is 9. Point is as it is 9. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So from here we can say that the answer to this part is 29.432. So let's discuss the part C. Part C is 27.076 plus 0.55 plus 0.004. We are going to add this. Let's start with the term which is greatest here. That is 27.076. So 27.076. As we just discussed above, we have to keep in mind that point must be there. The points must be always in the same position. So here is point. So the next term's point, that is 0.05, must be below that point. So this from here is become equals to 0.55. And next is 0.0404. So this from here become equals to 0.004. We can add whatever zeros we have after decimal. So 6 plus 0 plus 4 is 10. 10 0 is here. We are taking 1 as carry. So 7 plus 1 is 8. And 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 3 is here. Taking 1 carry from here. Again 1 plus 5 is 6. 0.7 plus 0 plus 0 is 7. And 2 is here. So from here we can say that the answer to the part C is 27.630. So this is the answer to the part C. Let's discuss the part D. Part D is 25.65 plus 9.005 plus 3.7. We have to add all these values. So starting with the greatest value, that is 25.65. Keep in mind that decimal must be always on the same position while we are adding the terms. So this from here become equals to 9.005 and next is 3.7. This is 3.7. We can add whatever number of zeros we require after decimal, because zeros after decimal are not significant. So 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 0 plus 7 is 13. 13 is 3 is here, taking 1 there as carry. So 1 plus 5 is 6. And 6 plus 9 is 15. And 15 plus 3 is 18. So 8 is here and taking 1 there as carry. So this from here become equals to 38.355. So we can say that the addition of all these terms is 38.355. So this is the answer to the part D of this question. Now the part E is 0.75 plus 10.425 plus 2. We have to add this. whenever we have to add the terms which are in decimal, start with the term which is largest, because this will really makes your calculation are more simpler. So this from here become equals to 10.425, as we just discussed before, that decimals will be always in the same position. So this is 2, there is no decimal after it, so we are adding the here 2, then 0.75, then 0.75. We can add whatever zeros we can after the decimal, because the zeros after decimals are not significant. So in order to simplify this, we add 3 zeros after 2 and 1 zero after 75. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 0 plus 5 is 7, 4 plus 0 plus 7 is 11, 11's 1 is here and taking 1 there is carry. So 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 is 3 and this is 1. So from here we can say that the answer to this part is 13.175. So this is the answer to the part E of this question. Now let's discuss the part F. Part F is 280.69 plus 25.2 plus 38. We are going to add this value starting with the greatest value, that is 280.69. Remember that decimal must be always there in the same position. Next is 38 and next is 25.2. We can add the zeros whatever we require in order to simplify this stuff after decimal. So we can add decimal after 38, because the zeros after decimal are not significant. So this from here is 0 plus 9, 0, sorry, it's 9 plus 0 plus 0 is 9, 6 plus 0 plus 2 is 8. This is point from here. So 0 plus 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 is here, taking 1 there is carry. This become equals to 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14's 4 is here and taking 1 there is carry. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we can say that the answer to this part is 343.89. So this is the answer to the part F of this question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use general addition or basic formats of decimals. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.